Hey again, Andy here from Customer Success, bringing you the latest releases from UpGuard for May. We've introduced a new home screen to replace the notifications page. Home highlights the new events and actions that have occurred since you last logged in, making it easier than ever to keep on top of the critical activity in your UpGuard account. Home is split into two tabs, All Activity and My Tasks, letting you deep dive into the events that matter to you most and stay on top of the actions that you need to take next. We're introducing a way to share completed risk assessments and additional evidence. You can now share these assets with your related organisations who also have an UpGuard account, letting you assess more vendors in significantly less time. You can now discover and drill down into the geographies that you and your vendors are operating in. This is a great way to understand where your data is being hosted and what data and privacy laws are in place to protect it. Geolocation Risk is currently in beta. If you'd like to join the beta testing, contact us via support@upguard.com or the live chat on our website. For the full list of new additions, check out the release notes at upguard.com/releases.